Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm starting over again, trying um, my journey with dreadlocks. So this is what it looks like so far. Um, yeah, a little bit messy, but yeah, I think maybe this time I will be. Sorry, I will be successful with my dreadlock journey. So yeah, I will document this on YouTube. So this is my first video. So as you can see, it's starting to yeah, get messy. And yeah, I washed my hair the last time 3 days ago. So yeah, maybe it will be working this time. So yeah, this is my first video. So um, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, I need to curl this a little bit. So I think just like that in different parts so that I will get some dreads. So just like that.